Hey everyone, TeaManDan here. Thought I'd make a very quick video to show you a really quick and easy way to thread your needle for projects. So if you take your thread, you kind of wrap it around your finger and kind of hold it relatively tightly in place. You're going to take your needle now and align the eye so that it's over the thread. And now push into your finger a little bit and just kind of rub it up and down very slightly, and it will bend into the needle. Then you can grab it and pull it through. Quick and easy. Let me show you that one more time. Wrap the thread around your finger. Take the needle and align the eye on the thread. Push into your finger just a little and rub up and down, and it'll pinch through. And then you can just grab it and pull it through. Hope that helps anyone out there who's struggling to thread their needle, and I'll see you next time. Take care.